I see it. That's a good wax job. Are you going to get that one done like Poppy's got his? Will it shine as much?
I had my time for riding motorcycles. Legs won't hold that thing up.
Don't start. It held up 20 years ago and you complained then. That'll still work. Man, that's a good cleaning job you're doing there. Wow. Have you got it all waxed up too? Okay, you getting it waxed? Alright. Man, it is shining pretty. Look how beautiful it shines. Is that good or what? Oh, you gonna buff it? You got some dirty spots? How about his eyes? His eyes look dirty. Look at his eyes. See if we can get his eyes clean. Did you get his eyes clean? Let's see. I can't see. You're in front of it. Oh, where are you going?
What exactly are you doing?
Did you get his eyes clean?
Doing what? It's wax?
Oh man, those eyes look good. Look how shiny they are.